Swan's Master Series 4K HD NVR security system. It's a security system that lets you see everything that's happening with upscaling technology that digitally creates 4K resolution. Master Series systems feature much higher resolution than 1080p, while still being more affordable than 4K Ultra HD systems. Defend your property and deter intruders with powerful sensor lights that illuminate when heat and motion are detected, leaving burglars nowhere to hide. The cameras have smart analytics that detect people, giving you fast and reliable alerts. With Swan's True Detect, warm objects like people and cars can trigger lights, push notifications, and recording with fewer false alarms to worry about. Designed to protect and prevent crime at small businesses and homes, position the cameras to watch over key locations such as doorways. Speak to see what's happening using Alexa or Hey Google.
Hey Google, show me the front door.
With the sensor lights illuminated, you can see what's happening in color or in black and white in total darkness up to 130 feet or 40 meters. Mount the cameras outdoors without worries. The weatherproof design is IP66 rated, meaning they're built to withstand rain, snow, and heat year-round. The system is also compatible with 4K cameras, so you can take advantage of exclusive video analytics like face detection, intrusion detection, and more. The massive 2 terabyte hard drive can store months of video before overwriting older files. Easily transfer videos to a USB memory stick or download to your network with no ongoing fees ever. Upload footage from up to 2 cameras and still images from all the cameras to your Dropbox account in the cloud. If your recorder gets stolen, you'll still have evidence off-site. While you're out and about, view live or recorded video on your mobile device using the free Swan Security app. Expand your security by adding wireless cameras or fully wired surveillance systems, and then manage everything from the Swan Security app. Swan's cutting-edge Master Series 4K HD NVR security system. It's security made smarter from Swan.